Fuck. Looks like we got skanky bitch fucking mom over here. She actually got big tits. Skanky bitch still looks just kind of the same, but still won't bang it. And whatever the fuck this thing is, whatever it is, I'm gonna call it a little fucking turd. I know it's gonna be jumping up and down my ass. Now I've been playing this game. You seen my first one? I'm gonna record that one again. I had to find a key this time. No books. Why are you giving me a good look? I'm always lucky. I'm always lucky. I gotta do the first one without dying. Well, I didn't beat the fucking game, but I ain't going back and doing that shit. I ain't going through the fucking whole game. I'm gonna get as much done as I want, unless you all want me to keep playing. Just trust me. Trust me. Most of the shit I said in there don't make sense. It ain't my child. It ain't my... Where the fuck do I go? Why? Why the fuck am I spawned so far away? I can make... Feel something... It's gonna fucking jump at me. Where the fuck do I need ammo? Unless a fucking little shit's gonna come after me. Fucking think those little shits are gonna... Those little shit from before. Fuck. How the fuck am I spawned so far away from that? Take a look. Where the medkit? Does this mean I don't automatically heal? Oh, I see how this is gonna fucking go. I'm gonna walk it through that fucking door. Skanky bitch is gonna be right here. Nothing? Something's fucking wrong. Just gonna close it. Close, you son of a bitch. Never mind, don't close. This is the medkit then. So, can I? Holy shit, straight off the bat, got the shotgun. Oh, fuck. Number one, what is this? Is this a fucking grenade? Holy shit, it's Knuckle Buster, guys. Finally, something better than a knife in this game. Take a big pistol. I guess I'm also gonna get a machine gun. Can't beat these skills. Can't beat them. Okay, gonna go take a leap of faith and get my ass kicked. And what? Where? That's supposed to be this bitch. You have poor taste in your bitch right there. Wonder how many blind people bought it. I'm coming in. Don't be alarmed. You know what's so fucking scary right now? The other game, like at the fucking beginning, I missed shit. And the paranoid fucking shit is real. Of all fucking things, why a bathtub? Well, oh fuck, it's skanky bitch mom. Did I get it? Is that making anything? Looks like I don't heal up. Fuck, that actually got me good too. Let me tell you something, she is not hot. Fuck. That was with a fucking shotgun. The holy shit, I'm gonna get good guns, ain't I? Yeah. Fuck me though, because shit, I'm gonna fucking shit my pants. Don't a mattress. I'm gonna go to the first store down here. Fuck that. Is there anything by? No. Fuck, give me a sniper. Fucking aiming with this gun shit. What the fuck? I'm not picking that up. Fuck you. It's like asking, please fucking jump scare me. That's really what I fucking need. Why the fuck would I get it? If I'm looking around, why the fuck would be the first thing I get would be it? Is this someone's bed? That explains the mattress. But what the fuck? You ugly motherfucker, you pissed me off. I'm gonna have to paint, know what face I'm gonna have to put on this. I knew how to edit. I would put feather on it. Okay, this corner. And let the fucking shit begin. I also moved my computer more. I don't want a blowjob. Please, no, get away. I don't want your blows. I got deja vu from the first game. Also a dude here. coming down here, ain't they? Does that mean I can leave? What the fuck is that? Fuck. This kind of game. I'm fucked in the ass. So hard it ain't funny. Because how long have I been... What the fuck, man? I know you have big old tits, but I don't want to motorboat them. What the fuck? Those tits must be fucking... Is that plastic surgery you had? Because damn, those are huge. I beat you. I beat you. I'm Pikachu. But now since I got 1K, that's gonna fuck me, ain't it? All the fucking windows was on that side. Fuck. I don't actually know what I'm going to. Hell. What was that? How much stick is this gun right now? Yeah, what the fuck is this? Yeah, this is just a shit take on Slenderman, by the way. And no, Slenderman was in that picture. With this bitch. The whore. That boner. Wait, I made that. Fuck, I don't even know if I need it. But if I'm fucking got hit, I'm not running on a... fuck, but this could... What the fuck? I walked my ass all the way over here. And all I get is a fucking bitch slap. What that felt like. Fuck. When this video goes up, not making another one tonight unless I feel like it. It'll be like 5 videos I made today. Ain't that good enough for this day? 2 of them were horror. When I got home, I played like one last zombies. After that zombie game, I'm gonna play with that shit, by the way. This guy knows there's nothing left in it. Fuck, I'm going to this house. Fuck. I think that's a new game to play. That just gave me a little bit of what I'm doing. If you guys don't know, I'm fucked in the ass. Hey, I have something to put in your mouth. Like, am I going to get a blowjob? Nope. I played this game before. I did not actually play much of any of it though. Fuck. You know what's so fucking tense wracking about this game? The music feels like it just kicked the fuck up when I went to this door. Oh, goodbye guys. I'll see you.